Hi, I'm food scientist nutritionist Mary Therese Racanelli for GOYA Foods. It's National Nutrition Month, so I'm going to teach you how to prepare a quick, delicious MyPlate recipe that's low in sugar and sodium. MyPlate recipes are helpful because the MyPlate visual tool and National Health Campaign are designed to help people with portion control and lower sugar and sodium. GOYA Foods now has 2 MyPlate cookbooks and more MyPlate recipes on their website to help you make healthier choices. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the GOYA MyPlate garden vegetable rice with black beans. This recipe is great for Lent, Easter, or any time you need a quick, delicious meal. It's gluten-free, a good source of protein, fiber, calcium, iron, and has about 280 milligrams of sodium per serving. The key is choosing low-sodium products and draining and rinsing any canned foods to help wash away about 20 to 40% of the sodium. We start with a 12-inch skillet and bring about 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the contents of the yellow rice and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a stir to combine and let boil for about 30 seconds. Reduce the heat to a medium-low simmer and cover and let the rice absorb the water for about 25 minutes. Around 20 minutes into the cooking, stir in the chopped garlic and the vegetables and the black beans and cover for the remaining 5 minutes. Remove the skillet from the heat and stir in the cheese. This is the great part, right? And cover until the cheese is melted, about 5 minutes more. Here's what the finished product looks like, and it's so easy to prepare. For a complete MyPlate meal, serve this recipe along with a serving of grilled meat or poultry, a serving of fruit, milk, and a side salad. For this and other GOYA MyPlate recipes, go to GOYA.com and click on the Nutrition tab to access MyPlate. And remember, if it's GOYA, it has to be good.
This cooking segment is sponsored by GOYA. If it's GOYA, it has to be good.